All right, so they want us to solve an exponential equation, and we see that it is an equation because I have an equal sign, and my x is stuck up there in the exponent, okay? And I want to get them back down to earth. And what we're going to do in this case is we are going to take the natural log of both sides, okay? The log or the natural log. Math people like to use the natural log. And the reason we're going to do that is because when you do that, you have that property where you can take that exponent and bring it back down to earth. So I'm going to take the natural log of the left side and at the same time the natural log of the right side. Okay, now we have a property that's going to let us take this x and bring it out in the front. And that's exactly where we want it to be. Okay, and here is the logarithmic power rule. You see, if I have an exponent, I can take it and bring it out in front. Okay, and it comes back down to earth. So I'm going to do that with this x. So now I have x natural log of 3 equals natural log of 101. All right, now just regular algebra to get your x by itself. Grumpy x wants to be by himself. You need to get rid of this natural log of 3. They are multiplied, so I'm going to divide both sides. Let's divide this side by ln 3, and we divide this side by ln 3. All right, ln 3 over ln 3 reduces down to 1, so x equals, right, just bring that down, ln of 101 over ln of 3. Okay, so this is my answer if I want the exact value. Now, a lot of times they're going to ask you to give the decimal version of this. So now we need to use the calculator. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in the calculator. I have my natural log button right here, ln. And when you press this button, what you're going to see, it's going to say ln and it's going to open a set of parentheses. So I'm going to hit ln of 101. And now I have to close this set of parentheses. If I try to divide or to multiply here, it's going to think that it's inside. So I need to close this set of parentheses. Your calculator has 2 parentheses right here, and I'm going to use this one. So ln 101, close parentheses. Now I can divide. Okay, your division button's right there. Divided by, and now I'm going to type the natural log of 3, ln of 3. Okay, once again, ln, it opens parentheses, you type in a 3, and then you need to hit this button to close the parentheses. All right, let's do it. Let's see what we get. All right, and now I get x is approximately 4.20086373. Okay, now you know that they're not going to want you to put all these decimals in your answer into a computer, so I look at the problem a little farther and it says to round to 2 decimal places. Okay, so I need it to stop right here. I take this last decimal place of a 0. I look to the right. Is it going to stay the same or is it going to go up? Obviously this one's going to stay the same. So x is approximately 4.20, rounded to 2 decimal places.